this woman is doing her own thing. She is not interested in helping you at all. So then you're left to yourself, and that's what makes it exciting, I think, for me. And so I'm really happy to present it in front of you. Thank you, thank you. Now we get some questions from the audience. Anybody for questions, please? Yes.
Yes.
I have a question here.
Okay. Yes. So we'll start upstairs first, and then we'll take questions downstairs. So let's start with upstairs.
Privilege to come see you, Mr. Banerjee. Really honored.
Thank you.
My question to you is what you just mentioned. I figured it was a challenge what you were doing, where you had to deliver your dialogues before she had hers on the screen, and you didn't have any co-actor to help you when there was, if there was any timing issue. How do you overcome that? I saw you do it by just maybe by being present.
Working very hard. Working very hard. You know, before I do the show, I do an entire rehearsal. Entirely. Today, मेरी टांग टूटी हुई थी, so I couldn't do it. But I normally do that because that's very important. It's just a question of total, complete concentration and technique. I'm a trained actor. Thank you.
First, wait for the microphone, please.
If you could again come next year with Javed. But my question is, I think I love that little dialogue where you said that Indian husband. I'm loving but useless. So
I want to know कि सबसे ज़्यादा रिएक्शन उसी पर क्यों है? ऐसा लगता है जैसे मैंने औरतों के दिल की बात कह दी, एकदम भर्र करके पूरा ऑडियंस आ गया. क्यों? अब सब मर्द सोचे इसके बारे में.
But Shabana ji, the question I have is, when Girish Karnad ji wrote this play, was the character of husband really software engineer, or is this improvisation?
Again, it is nebulous. You really, I mean, that's the thrill of the play, isn't it? That it's written in a way that when you watch different performances, you feel differently. Was he a culprit? In his own head, he was not having a physical relationship. So he must have thought, okay. But the fact is that for the wife, for Manjula, that is what is so terrifying. If it was a physical relationship, she could have understood it. But it is the intellectual relationship that the two of them share. And she, in comparison, is a mediocre. And that's what absolutely kills her. It's really for you to take away whether the husband was an accomplice or what exactly was his role. Because she says contradictory things about him. She says that he was very helpful to her when she was writing the novel. Then she says he was never good at concealment. So you have to figure that out. I don't have the answer for it.
Rajesh, do you have anyone upstairs?
There's somebody here in the back. Huh?
Okay. You can go ahead, Himanshu. I
Okay.
have to reach to the person upstairs here. So.
Hi, I'm Bijal. I've been in Raleigh for 25 years now, and this has been the best experience for me. So,
Thank you.
big fan. But my question was, you mentioned that sometimes Malini takes over, sometimes Manjula, depending on the audience. What did you feel today?
Sorry?
So you said the audience is always the third wheel in this relationship,
Yeah.
right? And you said depending on the audience, sometimes Manjula becomes a little heavier in character, sometimes Malini.
True.
So today, which character
It was
played?
Manjula.
It was Manjula.
I was on the side of Manjula, which is
Thank you.
the audience also felt. Yeah. Yes.
I'll repeat your question as well.
So, ma'am, बचपन से आपकी बहुत बड़ी fan हूँ, of course.
Thank you.
Nilina Dash from North Carolina. I do a little bit of theatre too here.
Little bit of theatre कुछ नहीं होती. Either you do theatre or you don't do theatre. Little bit कुछ नहीं है. It cannot be done just as a side hobby.
Let me confess, I'm crazy about theatre.
ये मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया. जरा जोर से बोलो ना. क्या कर रहे थे? एकदम आप लोगों को सुनाई दे जी क्या कह रहे थे आप?
I'm crazy about theater. मैं पागल हो जाती हूँ जब थिएटर करती हूँ और मेरी पूरी टीम यहाँ बैठी है हिंदी रंगमंच की. So एंड ऑडियंस में भी बहुत लोग मुझे सपोर्ट करने आते हैं. लेकिन मेरा सवाल आपसे ये था कि आप दोनों कैरेक्टर्स साइमल्टेनियसली जब निभा रही थी, एक जगह आपने पानी साथ में पिया था. Was there a significance? Was there a significance why they drank water
No,
together?
it was just to create that illusion suddenly so that you don't feel that the two of them are separate. That's the genius of Alex Padamsee actually. That was entirely Alex.
That was very
thing.
nice.
Yeah, to break that.
दूसरी बात जो आपने हस्बैंड्स के बारे में बोली, आई थिंक हम लोगों की इंडियन मेंटालिटी ये होती है, हम अपने हस्बैंड्स के बारे में झूठ बहुत बोलते हैं.
नहीं, I don't think इतना generalize करो. I don't want the men going out of here hating me.
They do hate me because मैं play ही ऐसे करती हूँ. But thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for performing.
You said that you see an audience that supports both Malini and Manjula at different times. Why would you think that there is more compassion only if they are supporting Manjula?
No, because the thing is, it's a horrible thing that she does. I come from a writer's family. And then to know that somebody can plagiarize, take away your entire work and then pass it off as your own. So if people feel sympathetic to Manjula, it means that they go past that, what is considered sin and a crime, and are able to see the human in her and are able to empathize with her tragedy. That's why I feel they're more compassionate. Thank you.
We have one down here.
थैंक यू सो मच. मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगी. मेरा नाम नीतू वाधवा है. मैं सोल फ्लेवर एस्केप ऑफ इंडिया रेस्टोरेंट से हूँ. एंड शबाना जी आप बहुत सुंदर हैं, बहुत सुंदर है, सच में बहुत सुंदर है.
अच्छा मैं नीचे नहीं आऊँ, हाँ आपसे कुछ लाइट नहीं देखे तो बेहतर
मैं
है.
प्यार से हक करती हूँ. और मैं आपको मासूम में देखी थी, वो जो आपका दांत है ऊपर, और आप सच में बहुत, मतलब मुझे स्मिता पाटिल और आप बहुत अच्छे लगते हो. और ये जेन्युइन है, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं प्लेटफॉर्म पे बोल रही हूँ, सच में मुझे अच्छे लगते हो आप. और मुझे आपसे एक ये पूछनी थी, आपने मुझे अभी बोला सब स्टेज पे कि आप प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. आप इतने उम्दा कलाकार हैं, इतने एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं, और आपने वही साड़ी पहनी हुई है जो स्क्रीन पे थी, येलो. तो आपने इस वाले, क्योंकि मैंने सुना है कि आपने यूएस और अराउंड आपने ये वाला जो ब्रोकन इमेज है काफ़ी कर रहे हैं, बट आपने आज वही साड़ी पहनी और वही रिकॉर्डिंग है. तो शायद आप हर जगह वही करते हैं और हर शो से पहले करते हैं ये कब सब कुछ. आपको अभी भी इतनी जरूरत है इतने उम्दा कलाकार.
देखिए आप सोचिए कि लता मंगेशकर जी टिल शी डाइड यूज्ड टू डू रियाज एवरी सिंगल डे. तो रियाज जो है किसी भी आर्टिस्ट के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि जिस दिन आप अपने काम को बिल्कुल टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड लेते हैं ना, उसी दिन कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ होती है. तो मैं तो ये बिलीव करती हूँ कि कोई भी आर्ट, कोई भी डिसिप्लिन आपके पास है, उसके लिए रियाज बहुत ज़रूरी है. आई एम अ प्रोफेशनली ट्रेन्ड एक्टर.
आपको शत नमन. मैं एक शेफ़ हूँ, मैंने अभी एक रेस्टोरेंट खोला है, मैं आपके लिए खाना बनाया, तो आपको आई होप कि आपको पसंद आए. और सच में आप एक इंस्पिरेशन है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि मैं रोज़ एक चींटी की तरह खड़ी होती हूँ, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इस एरिया में, चाहे हम यूएस में भी हैं, एक वुमेन शेफ़ होना बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है.
सही बात.
जिसमें मैं बिना कलर के खाना नहीं बना सकती हूँ, क्योंकि उनको वो कलर चाहिए. तो हम अपनी संस्कृति के संग खेल रहे हैं, जो गलत है. बट आप हमारे लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन है कि आप रोज सीख रहे हैं. तो मैं
You should be very thankful that I'm an actor
Yes.
and not a cook.
Yes.
क्योंकि कुकिंग का जो हुनर है ना मेरे में, वाह वाह वाह, गॉड गिवन टैलेंट.
हाँ जी.
ये आप दुनिया का बेस्ट खाना बना रहे हैं, और अगर मुझसे कहें कि मैं 2 मिनट वहां जा रही हूँ, प्लीज तुम जरा हंडी भून दो.
नहीं,
जला के रख.
तो आज मेरे सोल का
जला के रख. हाँ.
बीइंग अ शेफ, आज मैं सोल का मेरे क्या हो रहा होगा
Yeah,
मुझे नहीं
exactly.
पता, बट शत नमन है. और आप जय हिंद, आप ऐसे ही रहिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच.
Last
Yeah, I love you
yes,
so
please.
much.
Hi.
And Farah was my senior in my school in Hyderabad. And your niece Farah
Yes,
and
yes.
Tabu. And her first movie Fasle, I've watched as fourth grader. I love you, and I'm so glad and bless you to be able to see you here in person, so much closer.
Thank you.
And I love your play. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.